In today's practice session, we are going to see some previous year question paper asked in NILET 2018 December. So this is the continued part. In previous video I discussed total 40 question. Now this is the 10 question, total 10 question here I discussed, so that NILET to 2018 question paper are full completed. Okay, so in technical part portion, okay, here I first question is that to evaluate an expression and execution without any embedded function. So to evaluate an expression, we all know this is the application of stack. So in stack, if we write an expression like if a plus b, so how you evaluate this expression? You first push the a and then b, then add operator perform the addition by using perf. So you can use this by using one stack. So answer one stack is needed to implement the evolution of expression. So now next question. Here remember one thing, that in RAM chip has a capacity of 1024. So the number of 2 cross 4 decoder, when 2 cross 4 decoder use, we always needed 5 steps. Okay, 5 enable lines. So answer B is the correct. Now next is merge the two loops. So here if there have a loop 1 and loop 2, so when you merge this loop, we are using the loop jamming technique. Okay, jamming. So you may confused with, here you can see that merge is given, so loop merge technique is not used. Loop jamming technique is used to implement the to merge the two loops. So now next question is that sorting algorithm. So you have sort is very important chapter. Okay, so you have to know all concept related to the time complexity and all the concept so of the sorting technique. So in this question here, lowest worst case, so we all know that the in merge sort is the give the lowest worst case, that is O n log n. In other selection sort, quick sort, all are the n square. Okay, so for this reason, master is the correct answer. Now next question is that is dash is not a part of acid property. So you know that in acid property, A is denoted atomicity, C is denoted consistency, I is denoted isolation, and D is denoted the durability. So here all option are the part of acid, but inconsistency is not. So option A is the correct answer. Now next is number of queues to implement a stack. So we use two queues. So if the question asks like that, number of stack are needed to implement queue, at that time also answer is 2, because we all know that in queues insertion and deletion operation performed by the front and rear end, and stack operation performed push and pop. So here you can see two operation are performed. So for this reason we need 2. So answer is 2. So now next is baud rate. Baud rate is the measures the number and transmitted per second. So what is the answer? Bits. Bits, here S is denoted the second. Okay, bit is the answer. To measure the baud rate we use bits. Now next is decreasing the RAM. When we decrease the RAM, that means the size of the RAM is small. At that time, the storage capacity of that RAM are very less. So for this reason, RAM need to call to more page fault occur, because it cannot store the large amount of data. So for this reason, more page fault occurs. Now next is in this type of question, here it is given the message and it is the divisor. So how you write the divisor? Here 5 is given, so 1, 4 is also 1. Then here x to the power cube are not given. When it is not given, at that time you have to put it 0. Now 2 is given 1. Now 1 is, now x to the power 1, that is not given, so you have to put 0. Now 1 is given, so 1. X to the power 0 is, that means here 1 is, x to the power 0 is given. So this is the divisor. Now divide this with this, but before division you have to put that, you can find that 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 are there, 6 elements are there. So 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 0 you have to put here first. Now next you have to perform the division. So when you divide, you use the XOR, take XOR gate for subtraction. Okay, so remember this thing. So in this way you can solve this question. Okay, now next is consider the following functional dependency. Okay, here you can see that here first you have to find the candidate key, that is prime key, prime candidate key, which is the candidate key. So here you can find that A is not the candidate key because A only denoted the B. So here if you see that B is denoted C. Now D is denoted E and E is denoted D. So F is G, and so here you can see that this is given. So here when you find the at that time you can find here this is not 2NF because the partial dependency exists. Okay, so for this here none of the given option is true. So this is the 1NF. Okay, so this is the last question I discuss. So please subscribe my channel. Alright, I will back with the new previous year question paper. Till then, take care yourself and have a good day.